Alright, Harley riders. Well, the symptoms are pretty hard to ignore. Your bike might start popping and backfiring, especially on deceleration. You'll likely feel a noticeable hesitation or a stumble when you try to accelerate. It might even feel like the bike is running on just one cylinder, which, in a way it is. The engine will sound rough, and your fuel economy will probably take a nosedive. This is because the rear cylinder isn't getting the right amount of fuel, or maybe none at all. So, where do we start looking? Just like its cousin code, for the front cylinder, P0263 is usually an electrical issue. The first and easiest thing to check is the wiring. Take a close look at the wiring harness that leads to your rear fuel injector. On a Harley, these wires are often exposed to a lot of heat and vibration. Look for any signs of damage. Are the wires chafed, melted, pinched, or cut? Pay special attention to where the harness is routed. Is it too close to the hot exhaust pipe? Is it rubbing against the frame or a bracket? Sometimes, a simple zip tie can solve the problem by rerouting the wire away from a trouble spot. Next, you'll want to inspect the connector itself. Unplug it from the rear injector and look at the pins inside both the plug and the injector. Are they clean and shiny, or are they green and corroded? Moisture and dirt can get in there and create a bad connection, which is a classic cause for a circuit low fault. If you see any corrosion, use some electrical contact cleaner to spray it out. Let it dry completely. Add a little bit of dielectric grease to keep moisture out in the future, and then plug it back in firmly. Make sure it clicks into place. If the wiring and connector look good, the next suspect is the injector itself. The internal coil of the injector could be failing or shorting out. You can test this with a multimeter. Set it to measure resistance, or OEM. A healthy Harley injector should have a resistance reading, somewhere between 11 and 15 OEMs. If you test your rear injector and get a reading that's very low, like close to 0, that means it's shorted internally. That injector is toast and needs to be replaced. On the other hand, what if the resistance is good? The injector could still be the problem. It might be mechanically stuck closed or clogged with debris. Sometimes a good fuel system cleaner run through the tank can help. But if it's really gunked up, the injector needs to be professionally cleaned or, more commonly, replaced. You can try a little trick called the click test. With the ignition on, if you carefully unplug and replug the injector connector, you should hear a faint click sound each time. If you hear nothing from the rear injector but you hear a click from the front one, that's a good sign the rear injector has failed. Let's say you've checked all that. The wiring is perfect. The connector is clean. And you even swapped in a new injector, but the code comes right back. Now we have to look further up the chain, toward the engine control module, or ECM's a circle O code means the ECM has seen a path to ground that shouldn't be there. This could be a short in the wire between the injector and the ECM. You'd need a wiring diagram for your specific model to trace that wire and check it for continuity and for any shorts to ground. While it's rare, the problem could also be within the ECM itself. The driver circuit inside the ECM that controls the rear injector might have failed. This is usually the last thing to suspect, because it's the most expensive part to replace. Before condemning the ECM, you should be absolutely certain that every other part of the circuit is perfect. So, to recap for P0263, start with the simple stuff. Check the wiring harness for damage, especially near heat sources. Clean the injector connector. Test the injector's resistance. If those check out, consider a clogged injector, and if you're still stuck, it's time to trace the wiring back to the ECM. Fixing these issues can make a world of difference in how your bike runs. I hope this guide helps you track down the problem and get your Harley running smooth again. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.